how to turn on or turn off settings in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on general management. After that, scroll down and then tap on customization service. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on settings. Tap on the settings toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And once it is turned on, you can get personalized search results and more. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.